What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to another update on one of my favorite crypto projects, which I have not invested in, Cardano, or the ADA token, native token of the Cardano blockchain, which I wanted to cover today kind of as a recap of what happened yesterday. Yesterday obviously we got those inflation rate numbers, those CPI numbers from the United States. Which made the market move, but in a very weird way, because the inflation rate numbers were actually quite negative. And what you can see with Cardano is we actually dropped down to 40 cents. That is what we expected. It's also what I said in the analysis yesterday. But we found a lot of support there. While I also said in the analysis yesterday that if the inflation rate was actually way worse than expected, that I would expect to move all the way down to 35 cents. So that could still happen. There could be a little bit of delay in the price, but this initial move is pretty nice. So apart from that, something I also wanted to mention is that, volume of Cardano is up again as well, which is a great thing. Obviously, I mean, you can see that little bump that also happened yesterday. Wow, a lot of people are angry about that. So yeah, volume is up as well, which is a great thing, because in the last few analysis, the volume was actually dropping and dropping. You can clearly see that over the last 7 days, I think, or over the last month. I mean, right here it was at 800, 700, 800. And here see, right now it's higher, but it was a little bit low at around 600 and stuff, which was a very low percentage. So that was kind of shocking, because that means that there's more volatility. So what I expect for now is I expect this to drop down to 40 cents. And as I said, if 40 cents actually breaks, if we break down below 40 cents, I think we're dropping all the way down to, I would say 35, but probably a little bit higher at around 37 and a half first. And then, so first here, and then from there we'll see again. But this initial move, I think, is pretty clear. I think we're dropping down to 40 cents, and I think we'll be able to hold that consolidation. That's my bias. I think we'll hold that, but if we break that, I just wanted you to have a plan for that too. And then still, but this might be too bullish, and I'm going to be very honest with you. I expect us to somewhere within the next week break above 43.5 cents, and get some sort of a move like this, getting up to 48 cents again. And then from there we could drop down that could be a big crash, but I do think Cardano is strong enough to do that. Cardano has proven to be strong enough to do that. And at 40 cents level, don't underestimate it. It's a very strong level. And I think that's strong enough to actually let us go up like 20% from that level, not 20% from where we are right now. From where we are right now, it's about, I don't know, 14%, 13%. So that's what I expect, but I really have to admit that might be a little bit too bullish, and that it's wiser to expect that we'll consolidate on top of 40 cents and then afterwards drop down to 37.5 and then consolidate there. Still, I'm sticking with my analysis. That's Cardano has been one of my favorite and best cryptos to analyze. I think I got a feel for it. And apart from that, I mean, Bitcoin is also, I mean, there's one thing that could definitely change this all, and that is if we still get a delayed crash from those inflation rate numbers, which we have had before. But if that doesn't happen, so if we don't break through 40 cents within the next 2 days, I think Cardano is strong enough to also get back above 43.5 cents, if that makes sense, right? So yeah, that's my analysis for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.